my name is Vierter Enrico. I'm a happy worker at Saia Burgess since 25 years now. Saia Burgess company is about 330 people, producer and developer of electronic controllers. Today it's around 70 million euro sales, around 40,000 CPUs per year, 700,000 small devices like timers or energy meters. These figures we sell it about 85% in West Europe and also about 80–85% in the infrastructure automation. Despite the crisis that occurs in the last year, we at Saia feel no slowdown. In the last financial year, we increased by 12% our turnover. The history is a long history. We started in 1950 with the first electromechanical switch. It was already a time-delayed switch for light installation. We could say this was the start of building automation. 1950. In 1978, so we were one of the first producer of PLC. We started with the first family. In year 2000, we came out to the market with what we tell later on automation server. This is is web and IT based automation. It was something revolutionary for the automation world. Thanks to that, you can access via normal internet, via normal web browser, you can access to the automation. All this, and it's perhaps strange, but all this in one unique development and production center in Murten, Switzerland. This allows us to have a fast and quick and flexible coordination of activity between the needs of customer to the change in technology and development. Russia, yes, we are here in Moscow. We started in 1999 with Austrian partner and since 2008 with the actual management of Saia Burgess Controls Russia. We choose this group of while to understand lean automation, to understand automation server, to understand web and IT. It's not just sales, it's also a big technology know-how. And this group at Saia Burgess Russia has it. We have really a trustful partner here and are happy about this common work. The people of Saia Burgess Russia come several times to Murten in Switzerland for workshops, technical trainings, and also for marketing and sales trainings. Okay, this was a part of my 25 years history at Saia, and still young and enthusiastic and fresh and motivated. Thank you for your attention.